Good morning, children. In our previous class, we have learned about rational numbers, their types, equivalent rational numbers, and the questions of exercise 9.1. Now, children, today we have to continue the exercise 9.1 and we have to do question number 3 today. Question number 3 is what? Please listen. Question number 3 is give 4 equivalent rational numbers of the following. First part is minus 2 upon 7. Minus 2 upon 7. Now children, we have to give the 4 equivalent rational numbers of this rational number. As we have learned in our previous class, equivalent rational numbers are those numbers that can be written with different numerators and denominators, and they are still equal. And the method of finding equivalent rational number is what? You have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero integer. For example, minus 2 upon 7 is multiplied by first by 2 by 2. Here we get minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 upon 7 to the 40. This is the first equivalent rational number of this minus 2 by 7. Second is again we have to multiply minus 2 by 7 by the same non-negative non-zero integer, that is 3 into 3. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. 7 into 3, that is 21. This is the second equivalent rational number of minus 2 by 7. Next is minus 2 by 7 multiplied by 4. We get minus 8 upon 20. This is the third equivalent rational number of this minus 2 by 7. Next one, minus 2 by 7 multiplied by 5. We get minus 10 upon 35. This is the fourth equivalent rational number of this minus 2 by 7. So children, if we want to find more than 4, we can continue this by multiplying 6, multiplying 7, multiplying by 8 and so on. You will get n number of equivalent rational numbers of the given rational number. So children, there are 2 more parts. Please try these 2 more parts by your own at home. Now children, we have to do question number 4, and in this question we have to represent rational numbers on the number line. This is the fourth question of the exercise 9.2. Now children, you have to read the question number 4. The question number 4 is draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. So children, before representing any rational number on the number line, you have to take few things in your mind. The first one is check whether numerator is smaller than denominator or numerator is greater than denominator. You also check whether it has positive rational number or negative rational number. Now children, by checking this, whether it has numerator smaller than denominator or numerator greater than denominator, or it has positive rational number or negative rational number, we were able to represent any rational number on the number line. For example, now we have to represent 3 upon 4 on the number line. 3 upon 4 on the number line. First check numerator. Numerator here is 3 and it is smaller than denominator. Second is here is no negative sign, it means it has positive sign. So this is positive rational number. Now children, as here numerator is smaller than denominator, you must remember that this rational number lies between 0 and 1 always. All rational numbers whose numerator is smaller than denominator, they must lie in between 0 and 1. Understood, children? Now, and as it has positive sign, it has positive rational number, so it is represented towards right hand side of the 0 on the number line. So children, you have to draw a number line with the help of scale and represent 0, 1, 2 and so on the number line. You may write down negative integer if you want, otherwise no need, because we have to represent a positive rational number only. Now children, next step is what? You have to look the denominator. Denominator here is 4. Denominator here is 4. So children, you have to divide this 0 and 1, this part, this portion into as many as the number is given here in the denominator, into equal parts. Here we have 4, so we have to divide this 0, 1 into 4 equal parts by drawing 3 marks on this in between 0 and 1. So it will divide into now first part, second part, third and this fourth part. Now this is what? 3 by 4. So now start from here. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is 3. So this point, say it has A. It will represent 3 upon 4. Now children, similarly, same way, if it has negative rational number, you represent by the same manner, but you have to represent this negative towards left hand side of this 0 here. First part, second part, this is the third and this is the fourth part. So this portion will represent 3 by 4. There is no difference of representing a positive rational number or a negative rational number. The method is same. Now children, we will do one more. Now children, we have to do one more part in which we have to discuss if denominator is smaller than numerator, like this. 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. Here numerator is greater than denominator. Then in this case what we will do? You have to do first, you have to change this into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. It becomes like this. 4, 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 is remainder. So mixed fraction of 4 by 3 is 3, 1, 1. 1 and 1 by 3. Now children, this 4 by 3, this fraction lies between, this is one whole number, so it lies after 1. And this is what? This is proper fraction. Here one numerator is smaller than denominator, so it will lies after 1 and before 2, in between 1 and 2. So this rational number lies between 1 and 2. Now children, draw a number line. Draw a number line representing 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now this is 4 by 3. So same, you have to divide 1 and 2, this portion, into 3 equal parts by marking 2 points on this. 1, 2. Now it becomes one part, second and this third part. So it is 4 by 3. So it lies here. 4 by 3. This is the way if you have to represent any rational number with numerator is greater than denominator. Similarly, you can represent if it has negative sign. Same procedure you have to follow, but for negative rational number you have to represent this towards left hand side of the 0. Okay children? Now after this we have to do question number 5. Children, question number 5 you have to try by your own. Question number 5 you have to try by your own at home. Now we will do question number 6. Now children, look question number 6. Question number 5, do at home. Question number 5, do at home. And question number 6 is what? Question number 6 is, which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Now children, here you have to tell which of the following pairs of rational numbers are equal or not. The simple way of checking is what? See, suppose this is 7 upon 21 and 3 upon 9. 3 upon 9. By cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. This is multiplied by this, minus 7 into 9. Minus 63. This is multiplied by this. 21 multiplied by 3. This is 63. Now look children, this is 63 and this is also 63, but with opposite sign. This is minus 63 and this is plus 63. So children, both are different. They are not same. So you can say that minus 7 upon 21 is not same with 3 by 9. Or you can say they are not equal. They are different rational numbers. Similarly, we can try the second part. Second part is what? Minus 16 upon 20 and minus 20 upon minus 25. Now cross multiply. Minus 16 multiplied by minus 25 and 20 multiplied by 20. It becomes minus plus 400 and this is also 400. Now you can say that yes, this pair of rational number is same, or you can say they are equivalent rational numbers. Now children, you have to try the rest of the part by your own by simply cross multiplication. And in question number 7, the question number 7 is what? Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. Simplest form means you have to bring this in lowest form, or in the standard form. So children, let us start question number 7. Question number 7. The question number 7 is what? Minus 8 upon 6. Now children, you have to bring this into the lowest form, simplest form, or in the standard form by any of the way. First I am doing it by prime factorization. Minus 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 and this 6. 3 into 2. 3 to the 6. This 2 and this 2 cancelled out. It becomes minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Or you have to find HCF of 8 and 6. So HCF of 8 and 6 is what? 8, 6. 6 ones are 6. 2 is the remainder. Then 2 threes are 6. HCF is 2. Now you can divide this 8 by the HCF 2 and this 6 by HCF 2. It becomes minus 4 by 3. This is also one of the way. You may try directly also. Minus 8 by 6. Both comes in the table of 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. Minus 4 by 3 is the answer. Children, you may choose any of the way. Either this or this. All these 3 ways were correct. This is the way to bring any rational number in lowest form, standard form, or the simplest form. We will do one more part, children. Now we have the second part, 25 upon 45. Now look, 25 and 45 both comes in the table of 5. 5 fives are 25, 5 nines are 45. So the answer is 5 upon 9. Or you can do by prime factorization, 25 by 45. 5 fives are 25, 5 nines are 25. 5 ones are 5 ones are cancel, 5 by 9. You may try it by taking the HCF of 25 and 45. This is up to you, children. You have to pick any one of the method. Now children, you have to try rest of the part at home. Now question number 8. Question number 8. In question number 8, we have to fill in the boxes with the correct symbol. This or this equals to. Now in 5 upon 7 box 2 upon 3. Now children, check which one is smaller or which one is greater or which one is equals to. So children, look, as it has negative sign, negative numbers are always smaller than the positive number or the 0. So you can directly put this symbol here. Minus 5 upon 7 is smaller than 2 by 3. All negative integers are smaller than positive integers or 0. Next is minus 4 upon 5 minus 5 upon 7. Now children, here we have negative and this is also negative rational number. Here we have a difficulty. We can't say directly. For that, what we will do? We will bring this rational number into like rational number. Okay, with same denominator. For that, what I will do? I will take the LCM of 5 and 7. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Now you have to bring in the denominator 35. How? Divide this 35 first by the denominator of first rational number, that is 5. 5 sevens are 35, and secondly this 7 5s are 35. Now multiply this quotient by this and this. Minus 4 into 7, 5 into 7 box, and by this minus 5 into 5 upon 7 into 5. Now it comes minus 28 by 35 minus 25 upon 35. Now look children, this is minus 28, this is minus 25. Minus 25 and minus 28. If the two integers having the same sign, the smaller integer, the smaller number 25 is greater than this minus 28. So we have to put this sign. Minus 28 is smaller, minus 25 is greater. So children, you may try the rest of the part by the same way at home. Thank you children, thank you very much. In the next class we have to learn addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational number. Thank you children, thank you very much.